Spacious 2-bedroom 1-bath cooperative. This home has an open living room, dining area layout, good closet space throughout. King-size master bedroom 18 by 11 and full-size second bedroom 10 by 11, both with overhead lighting. Maintenance includes all utilities, heat, hot water, cooking gas, electric, and re-taxes. Base maint, $794.12, air conditioner $30, refrigerator/fray $10, security $11.50, special assessment $128.57, additional assessment $52.94, total equals $1,027.13. Flip tax/waiver of option is $50 per share, 330 shares. Cooperative selling as is. Building features laundry and lobby level, storage room, fee, intercom and buzzer vestibule entrance, park benches throughout.